Zeemo versus Blink. Let's get started. So Zeemo offers high subtitle accuracy, stylish dynamic options, and captions, multi-platform for web and mobile, and batch processing which exports up to 4K. They also have templates reminiscent of social creators like Mr. Beast, which is ideal for TikTok and Reels, and they have 95 languages which are great for captions and translations. The only downside is they have a free plan which is very limited, which is 3 videos per month, 1 minute max, and they also have watermark on exports. And the price is starting at $6 to $10 per month for small creators, which may find that steep. And some mobile users report the glitches like loading errors and credit consumption. Blink, on the other hand, is a user-friendly interface with editable captions, teleprompter, and script writing tools. They also offer a wide caption style options, which is over 200 plus, with auto captioning in over approximately 118 languages with teleprompter sync. The only downside is they also have caption sync issues like the timing and lags, misaligned text requiring manual correction. The export and stability issues are lower FPS, failed exports, and buggy teleprompter, and you also have a forced subscriptions where you can export or use key features without upgrading. So go with Zeemo if you want top tier caption accuracy, sleek visual templates, and go with Blink if it's a better option if you need a built-in teleprompter, a lot of style, customizations, and simple script to video tools.